Yo, what's up guys? We are back with another video and there is some stuff on the screen. Looking better. So, in this video we are gonna get a aftermarket radio installed into the CRV. What it is a double-din Atoto A6 with Apple CarPlay. Yeah, we'll get right into it. First thing is first, I gotta splice the adapter harness and the actual radio wiring harness together to go into the car. So I'll set you guys down and I'll get this all sorted out really quick, and then we will get to the install. Alright guys, so I got everything heat shrunk, all the connectors that actually need to be connected. As you saw, I swirled them up and then put heat shrink over them, and then all the dead end ones I basically just plugged it up with some heat shrink at the end so that they don't touch anything. And then the one that I was confused about is this dimmer / illumination on the radio harness. On the radio side, but then on the car side there's an orange one and an orange white one. One was the dimmer, one was the illumination. So I didn't know what to do, so I put both of them into the one, and I hope it works. So now let's get this installed onto the car. I believe there's just 2 Phillips and then you start pulling stuff out. Okay, so I'm just gonna set you guys up right there. So I got my Phillips. I'm pretty sure it's these 2 down here. And the other one. Uh-oh. Okay, so pretty sure this should pop out now. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that all you gotta do is just gotta muscle through it. And then, you know what? I should unplug the battery. Okay, battery is unplugged. So we unplug this as well. So that panel comes out, and then I'm assuming you get these 4 Phillips on the radio itself, and then it should pop right out. Okay, so those 4 screws are out, and now radio pops out. There we go. So, ow, that hurt. Okay. Oh my god, everything hurts when it's cold. Oh! Okay, so this right here is why you need the adapter harness, because the radio harness clearly does not plug into the car, so you need the adapter harness to plug into the car to plug into the radio. So first things first, you're gonna plug that in. That clicks in, and then I'm gonna go grab the radio. Okay, so this is the radio. We are gonna plug everything in through the back. The Apple CarPlay dongle, I don't know. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So I'm probably gonna route this through there and then come out either in through here or somewhere into the bottom, so that I can just have my phone and then it'll do its thing. So on here, I think this one says USB, and then this one says video. I'm not gonna put the video one in because it's for like front camera and just like video in and out. So this is for the radio antenna. This is for Apple CarPlay. These are for, I believe, subs. And then this is what this is for. So you get that plugged in. I think it doesn't click. I don't know if it clicks. It just gets in there. Okay, so all of that is in right now. Okay, this, I'm gonna keep this on the outside, the Apple CarPlay USB. So I'm gonna leave that right there, and I'm gonna go plug the battery back in and see if everything works. Okay, so ignition is on, radio is on, turns on right away pretty much, and it boots up. Looks like everything is working good. Let me grab a dongle to connect into the Apple CarPlay, and then we can test out all the audio and stuff. Okay, so that's plugged in. Now I'm gonna plug this into my phone. So that just plugged in, and then it automatically goes over to CarPlay. So it says, ignore the background, but it says allow CarPlay with year while phone is locked. Allow that. CarPlay not available. Enable Siri. Okay, so I guess I gotta enable Siri. Siri. Ignore those ones. Ask Siri, enable Siri. There we go. Okay, so now it's all through CarPlay. So let's see. Ooh. So yeah, it just starts right away. If you go to the home button, you have to go back to CarPlay like that, or I think, oh, down here bottom left is, ooh, no, the home play. Shoot. It has Apple Maps, and then it opens up the maps on the phone. And then yeah, I think it's literally just a mirror of your phone pretty much. So whatever your phone sees, you see. Messages.
Would you like to hear your unread messages or create a new one?
Whoa. And then you have all the contacts. That's pretty cool. Now playing. Now playing is just the Spotify, and then I think if you have like Apple Music and whatever other apps that you have that's compatible with Apple CarPlay, it'll just come up. So yeah, looks like everything's good, so I'm gonna take the battery out again, finalize plugging everything up, and then I'll get everything put back together. Okay guys, so everything is pretty much put back in. As you can see, I only was able to fit 2 of the screws back in. 2 of them don't fit in for some reason. I don't know why, but I left them out. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere anyways. But what I did do is that the bracket that was sitting on the old OEM radio, I took that off, and then that's what's holding on the new Atoto instead of the ones that they sent, which is like a universal one. As if you can see, like there's a little knob, a plastic knob in between these 2 screw points, but it's a one-piece bracket, so the bracket is cut out so that there are holes and the bracket goes around the bump. So you have to transfer over the brackets to your new radio, whether it's in Toto or whatever doubled in it is. For the Apple CarPlay, what I did was, when you open up this drawer right here, there's an extra panel in the back, which I popped out Where did I put it? Uh-oh, I lost it. It's somewhere in here. But you can see like there's a little panel that you pop out and there's 2 holes in it. So I put it on the left side. And then what I did was when the radio was out, I fed it through that hole, and then I went underneath to where the fuse box is, and then I brought it all the way up into the back of the radio, so it comes back into the radio, and then I plugged it into the back. So that is functional and it works, and so I'm gonna put everything back together for now, and then once I get a drill bit that's the right size for this, I'm gonna just drill a hole into that little plastic piece, and then I'm gonna try to put the dongle like so that it looks flush, and it looks natural to the body panel, to the interior panel, so it looks like an OEM Plus thing. But other than that, I'm gonna put everything back together, connect that, and then we will test it all out. Okay, so everything is all put back and the radio is in. As you can see, there's a huge gap around it, and the piece that, where is it? I lost it. But the piece that they gave, it fits, but it'll just like fall out, so it doesn't really do too much. What I'm thinking about doing is putting weather stripping around it just to fill in some space, and then I need the weather stripping anyways from my other cars, so that's what I'm planning to do. If I do end up doing that, then I'll give like an update video, or I don't know, I'll let you guys know. Or if I can find a bracket that's like a double din kit to fill in this, because I'm sure that I'm pretty sure that this is a common issue where if you put a double din, it'll have this gap. So I need to figure out how to fix that. And then this right here is where the dongle is sitting. I lost that panel, so I need to find it. It's somewhere in here. I was literally just holding it, but I'll find that, and then I'll end up just drilling the hole and then putting the dongle through there so it looks like an OEM Plus. And then I'll have my cable, and then whenever I'm driving, I'll have my phone in there anyways, and then the screen will be what I see. So yeah, that is pretty much all for this install for now. If you guys do have any questions or anything you have to say, if I did something wrong or whatever it is, be sure to leave a comment, let me know. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, learned a thing, because I definitely learned something from making this video. But yeah, until then, I will see you guys in the next video.